Et bonjour à tous et à toutes, j'espère que vous allez tous très bien. On se retrouve aujourd'hui pour un nouvel épisode de Red Dead Redemption 2. Donc j'espère que vous allez tous très bien. Merde, j'ai oublié ma télécommande. Merci. Donc j'espère que vous allez tous très bien. Aujourd'hui, nous allons continuer l'aventure avec Arthur. Et on s'approche vachement de la fin, ce qui commence à me rendre très triste. Parce que Arthur, c'est quand même un héros. Pour nous, hein, très clairement. Et là, savoir que c'est bientôt fini, bah, c'est triste. J'espère peut-être finir l'aventure ce soir, sachant que chez moi là il est 21h30. Si, parce que là il y a 3-4 missions, et après je crois que ce sera fini, donc on verra bien. Allez, c'est parti, on y va, direction une mission avec Dutch Van der Linde. Alors j'ai un peu changé nos colts, j'ai pris... pour le moment j'ai celui-là et celui-là, mais... Voilà. Je vais prendre les Lemat, j'en ai pris 2, j'en ai fait 2, on verra. Pour le moment, on va déjà établir un campement et on se téléportera jusqu'au camp, quoi. Par contre, je sais juste plus le nom du camp de là où on vit. C'est là-bas. Hollow. Hollow. Bon. On va une fois attaquer, on va voir. Ce que Dutch nous voit. En plus, il va pleuvoir, j'adore ça. J'adore moi quand il pleut dans les jeux vidéo. Je vais juste aller chercher un Lemat, un revolver. Parce que je crois qu'il est chez moi à la maison. Enfin, à la maison. Au camp, je crois que je l'ai dans une boîte. Donc il faudra que je regarde. Oula, ça discute. Je veux pas tout de suite partir en mission, les gars. Je viens juste à le préciser. Je veux d'abord aller chercher mon revolver. Non, mais c'est une mission, donc logiquement tout devrait bien se passer. Merde, il y a une caisse. Eh mais le camp il commence à être de plus en plus pittoresque, hein. Il n'y a plus de tentes là, il y avait des tentes avant. Salut l'oncle, tu dors? Alors, casier armes. Le mat. Voilà. Logiquement mes deux le mat sont un truc. Est-ce que j'ai besoin de me raser? Non, c'est bon. Ah, ça dit Adler. Je peux parler à personne, ça fait drôle. Oula.
Why are these two still here? Old pals of mine. They're getting real comfortable.
Need guns for what's coming. Cleet and Joe know how to fight. It's lucky I bumped into them.
What is going on, Dutch? What is happening to us? What's happening to you?
You show him some respect.
Excuse me.
Mr. Vanderlyn! Mr. Morgan! George! They tried to kill my people for oil! For oil! Today we ride once more! Ride with me! Ride with us! Ride with us against the factory!
I love your courage, son. It is a thing of great beauty.
Stop! Everyone stop!
My son. My last son. Don't. When I was your age, I fought. I saw death. I've killed. The men I knew were slain. My firstborn, your brother, had his head smashed by a drunken soldier. My wife had her throat slit. We made peace. I knew not to trust, yet I had no choice. Maybe you were right. Maybe the slow death is worse than the fast one. Maybe none of these men are good. Maybe a world in which they came to us is a world that we cannot endure. But endure we must.
Father, you are tired.
Do not die for pride, my son. We have suffered too much in this trick. The earth, the water, they had no pride. They endure, and we must endure. My only boy, my precious boy, do not mistake my strength for weakness. As your chief, I implore you,
Your words mean nothing to me, Father.
don't
Ride with me! Now!
stop. Please, stop. Please, Mr. Morgan, after you helped me after we spoke, this is just a trap. My son, my people will all die.
You help this fella? Arthur.
Please,
What of it?
What else you been doing behind Dutch's back?
What?
the wars are over. We have lost. These young men will be annihilated. Please.
I'll see what I can do. Charles.
Who else will come with me?
Oh, I'll ride, Arthur. Who knows what other secrets I'll learn about it. Who else?
I will.
And me. Me too.
Ah, Sadie vient avec nous.
And me. I guess.
Ah, et même Bill. Oula.
All
Oh.
right. Let's ride out. What else have you been doing behind my back, Arthur?
I was trying to stop this mess from getting any worse. And that didn't work.
Why the hell would they attack the oil fields? What do you mean? It's perfect.
This was your idea.
Partly the army, the government, the industrialists. They've taken everything from these people. Wouldn't you want to fight back?
You've handed them a death sentence.
Just like John if we hadn't got him out of that prison.
Hey, show some goddamn respect.
You'll know when I ain't showing respect, Bill.
I had a plan. I still have a plan. What plan? What goddamn plan, Dutch? Tahiti? Timbuktu?
That's enough! What's wrong with you all? What happened to loyalty?
Yeah. What did? Thank you, Javier. Bill. Right now, it doesn't matter how we got here. These men need our help. I have a plan. This is the plan. So either stick with me or cut loose. Because I am tired of this constant descent. Long tired of it. Now come on.
Là, vous voyez que là, le camp part en couille, en fait. Très clairement. Là, ça commence.
It's one of them.
Là, ça commence. Hein.
All right, son.
Eagle flies! He needs help! They all need help! Somebody help! No, go! Please hurry! Help me!
Ok. Là, c'est là que vous voyez que la merde commence et que c'est le bordel, quoi. C'est pas normal que Dutch agisse comme ça et tout. Après, les seuls qui sont encore normaux, c'est Arthur, John, Sadie, mais c'est les seuls, quoi. C'est les seuls qui sont assez normaux pour le moment. Et Charles, bien sûr. Mais Javier, Bill, Dutch, ça commence à partir en couille. Oula. Il y a un truc qui crame là. Ah oui, ça crame.
We gotta help these men.
Did anyone see Eagle Flies? There, going across the walkway. Got what you wanted, Teach.
You coming, Arthur?
I'm gonna try and save him. This fight is unwinnable. You go and distract them and let me get to him.
Have it your way. The rest of you, ride with me. Let's meet up at the factory. Let's ride! Yeah!
Go them, try and help there, I'm better off alone.
We're riding with you.
Come on, then. Yeah!
C'est parti. Il est mort. Allez, avancez.
Thank you. All of you.
You need to go.
Where are my men? Where are my men? We saw some fighting by the factory. That's where Dutch is gone.
Let's go, quick!
Any men we see, we must save them.
Let's find the others. We need to get...
Ah! You wanna fight?
Bunch of cowards!
Tu vas aller le cacher, toi? Ok, je retourne à la carabine.
You sons of bitches!
J'ai plus de vie. Ok, j'ai pris un remède.
You bastards!
Oh putain. Ils ont une Gatling. Oh merde. Oh, fait chier, j'ai crevé comme une merde. Bah, pourtant, on y était presque, quoi. Ah putain, ça m'énerve, ça. J'espère juste... Bon, je baisse un peu le son.
Let's
Ah ouais,
find
ok,
the
on
others.
commence
We
de
need
là.
to get to the factory, fellas.
Toi, t'es fait. Toi, t'es fait. Ça a dit au-dessus, il est où? J'ai de quoi le vider, mais il faut me le montrer. Quoi. Qui a un fusil à pompe là? Non, j'oubliais, c'est l'armée. Pas de fusil. Ok, tu veux te la jouer comme ça, toi? Je viens pas à recommencer. Et toi, tu vas rester par terre, bordel? Quoi? Pas... Pieta est mort, je sais même pas qui c'est. Eh non, par contre, si vous me refaites commencer à l'autre bout, là, je commence à en remarre. Non, c'est bon. Enfin, une cube, tu me remercieras plus tard. Touché. Ok, je l'ai eu. Ils sont où là? Salut Jamiel. Merde, c'est John. Merde, j'ai tué le cheval. Toi, je t'ai eu. Pour qui? Pour un discret? Il y en a encore un là-bas. Ça va faire mal, c'est prévu. T'es pas mort toi. Maintenant t'es mort. Voilà, ces flingues ils sont stylés. Salut Dutch.
So good of you to join us. Hello, son.
Hey,
Saved your life.
you did.
You're quite the hero, Arthur, ain't you?
Just a regular good guy, same as always.
What is it with you, Arthur? What is it?
I don't get you. Don't get you no more.
Oh, the cow, Dowdy, come on, get him out of here, all of you. Come on, let's go finish things.
Finish what?
The Dowds. You know why I want them to attack this place?
I have no idea.
Javier, you get them and you go.
Until I find all my men, I'm not leaving.
As you wish. Rest of you, get out of here.
I'm staying with you.
We're getting our ticket out of here.
D'accord, si tu veux.
We need to find the office.
It's upstairs on the other side. I broke in here before.
J'ai hâte de retrouver mes deux revolvers, parce que là, je me suis dit on va jouer avec les Lemat. Ils sont stylés les Lemat, mais
Money, you fool. The money.
c'est pas des vrais revolvers ça les Lemat.
Lots of them. I thought you were paying attention. Old Cornwall had a deal with the state. He was being paid to develop the region against the federal government's wishes, as they didn't want problems with the Indians. Anyway,
So we get it. We're done. We're almost free.
yes. If we're right. We've had tough times. The toughest of times. But come on. Don't doubt me no more. Search the place. They gotta be here somewhere.
I've been here before.
Check that cupboard by the door.
Oh, c'est à moi ça. Je rouvre ce qu'il a ouvert, tu sais. Il n'y a rien d'autre.
I got him. I got him. This is it. St. Bonds.
How much?
It's a few $1,000s worth. Maybe more. Oh, we are nearly there. Arthur, we're nearly there. Mr. Morgan, let's go home.
Ouais, c'est où chez nous?
Let's get out of here, Arthur.
En tout cas, c'est bien si on a presque fini.
Did you hear that?
Gentlemen, we're here for you.
Your friend?
Get in there. Shoot him. Find him. Now.
Come on, Arthur. We have got to get out of here.
Outstanding it.
Bon, et puis merde. C'était quoi ça? Non. Oh le bâtard.
You silly fool! Come on!
You saved my life. More than once. To get mine from yours. It's as it should be.
Come on!
We need to go. There's no such thing. Don't be a fool. They could be back here any minute. We did it, gentlemen. Well, we got some money. And with the train job, but we got a whole lot of money. Come on. Everything is coming together. Exactly as I planned.
Ouais, mais toi, tu deviens un
I'll
bâtard.
take the boy to his father. As you wish. Usually is nowadays. Sure. Come on. We gotta get back to camp and prepare. Let's ride. I'll be back when I can. I'll stay with you.
And me, of course.
And so will I.
No, get out of here. Please. This ain't gonna be nothing nice.
Be safe, Arthur.
Alright, come on. Let's get him to Wapiti as fast as we can. Hold on, my friend.
Ned, we must go back for the bodies.
We will. Save your strength. My friend, I'm sorry. About this. About all of this.
You have nothing to be sorry for.
You know, Dutch is...
C'est
I
Dutch.
guess what I think it is he used you. He wasn't trying to help anyone but himself and his own crazy pretty.
We're grown men. Nobody made us do anything.
Maybe,
Attendez, parce que je suis quand même en train de regagner ma vie là.
talking
Parce
from
que je suis
my...
presque vide.
Maybe I'm talking from my...
Ananas en conserve. Putain, c'est bon ça.
Maybe I'm talking for my people as much as for yours. We saw he turned crazy and we couldn't believe it and we followed him anyway. They should never have gone this far.
You see the situation on the reservation? Better to die fighting than sick and weak.
Maybe, but your people deserve better. You okay, Charles?
Not really. All this death, and for what? Just so we can have enough money to be able to run away from what we've done?
There used to be some reason to it. Lines that couldn't be crossed. We even helped some folk.
Merde, putain.
Lines been gone for some time now.
The time has come for us to draw our own lines, Arthur. Decide where we go from here.
I swear, back there, Dutch just stood and watched. If it wasn't for Eagle Flies, I'd be...
I know. I feel like he's descended into the kind of man he told us never to be.
Maybe. He's just become more who he really is. I don't know anymore. I just feel like a fool.
That money, those bonds, whatever it is, I don't want a cent. There's too much blood on it.
It's the chief's son.
I think he's been shot.
Oui, malheureusement. Vieillard, j'ai ramené ton fils.
Bring him to me. My son.
Putain, c'est dur. Je suis désolé. Et Arthur est rempli de sang.
There you go.
But now, they must move. And fast. I'll stand up then.
I'll stay too.
No, my friend. You have others who need you. Good people.
Je sais pas pourquoi je sens qu'on reverra plus Charles avec
I'm
Arthur.
sorry, but we must pack and move.
Et ouais. Putain, ça me fait... Franchement, c'est dur. C'est dur, c'est un jeu dur. Hein. Niveau émotion. Hein, Oh non, Arthur, ça recommence.
Please, drink. Drink this. Rest a minute. Kann ich besser Englisch sprechen? Sie haben uns gerettet, als wir wirklich Hilfe brauchten. Und jetzt können wir sie nicht retten. Aber
Eh, mais c'est pas les Allemands qu'on avait aidés avec Charles. Si, j'ai l'impression. Hein. Ça va aller, Arthur? On dirait pas, hein. Putain, t'es tout crade. On va aller prendre une baignoire. Enfin, une baignoire.
I always say, manners cost nothing. You enjoy the rest of your day.
Encore une mission avec Dutch. Oh, mais Dutch, il commence à me casser les burnes, là. Parce que ça devient une enflure. Attends, je veux juste essayer de monter mon honneur au maximum.
Hey, partner. Hey, mister.
J'ai un peu perdu d'honneur, ça me tue. Je voudrais juste gagner l'honneur à fond pour le reste de l'histoire.
Nice around here. I'm kind of new to these parts.
What's your
Hey, mister.
Ah, là, il y a quelqu'un encore.
Hey there.
Salut. S'il vous plaît, faites-moi gagner l'honneur. Alors, pardon. Je veux juste voir ce que c'est comme quête. Dutch souhaite vous parler, ben, comme toujours. Il veut toujours nous parler.
Hey, partner.
Je sais pas pourquoi, mais moi je sens que la fin est proche, très proche même. Salut. Ah oui, il y a l'aveugle. Eh, frérot.
Help the blind!
Help a blind man.
Oui, tiens.
Have this.
Voilà, j'ai l'honneur au max.
Be warned, sir. Do not slumber too deeply, for the man with no nose is coming for you. Yeah.
All right, friend.
L'homme sans nez et à vos trousses. De qui il parle? L'homme sans nez. L'homme sans nez. Voldemort? Je sais pas, l'autre il me parle d'un homme sans nez. Pour moi, c'est Voldemort. C'est vrai qu'on fera aussi le jeu vidéo Hogwarts Legacy, les gars. Hein. Faudra qu'on y pense. Et on fera aussi Hogwarts Legacy. Oh putain. Sérieusement, là, on est à la fin du jeu. Venez pas me regarder. J'ai repris mes revolvers, les gars, parce que ça commence à m'énerver. J'ai repris mes revolvers. Au moins, j'ai des vraies armes en main. Par contre, les états là. Ah ouais,
Who's there? Arthur, dumbass.
Oui, Abigail?
Well, those two creepy fellas over with Micah.
Two guns, he knows.
What the hell they doing here?
I have no idea.
Arthur, I'm real scared.
Moi aussi, j'ai peur.
This ain't good.
You're gonna be okay. But be ready. Just be ready.
I understand.
Arthur, j'ai pas un moyen de te rendre propre? Si, en changeant de tenue, attends. Logiquement. Ouais, nickel.
You know, I'd have been killed in that factory if it wasn't for Eagle Flies. You know, I'd be dead in that factory if it wasn't for Eagle Flies. And I feel
Salut, pauvre merde.
saw and didn't do nothing.
Well, at least you ain't
Nobody
running one.
wants you here, partner.
You feel alright?
I guess
You
you
don't
don't
look
look
too
too
good.
good. What you talking about?
Pearson left. Old uncle. The traitors. Both gone at dawn. They said young Tilly they were running to save themselves. I think Mary Beth left as well.
Marie-Berthe?
They are goddamn cowards. Arthur, cowards. All the time we spent to run off.
Long.
I guess they don't want to die.
Pearson?
Ain't
Les
nobody
trucs est
gonna...
parti?
This is a tough time. You ain't doing too well, but we, our community, we will survive. They will not crush us.
I hope so. But if we let Jack and the women free, well then
There
maybe
ain't
we
no
can.
freedom for no one in this country no more, Arthur. One more big score, we got enough money to leave. All this turmoil has the army and Pinkerton spinning. We take a boat and slip away.
I don't know what you're saying, Dutch, but it seems like I've heard it all before.
Just one more.
As always, a goddamn train, Arthur.
This is different. We know this is full of cash. Army payroll, money and supplies to repair the bridge that you blew. This is all going to plan. We rob Uncle Sam and we leave. The poetry of it all. What do you think?
It sounds wonderful. Hell, yeah. I ain't got much to lose, but you know, the women and the children. And John and his family. I'm afraid I have to insist. I mean, we gotta let him go, because if the Pinkertons come through again, they will kill everyone.
John? Insist. Yeah. Insist.
Bien dit, Arthur. Bien dit.
Of course, pal. Whatever you think is best, I will see to it. Huh? Now, we gonna rob a train? Sure. We will survive. We will flourish. We have work to do, my friends. Let's go. Come on. We are gonna borrow a little money from old Uncle Sam and be out of his hair once and for all. He insists upon it. Insists. Let's ride out, gentlemen. Let's go. Yeah.
Sadie Adler vient avec nous. C'est vrai que maintenant Sadie fait partie de la bande à part entière. Mais non, il n'y a pas Sadie. Ah si. Elle fait partie à part entière de la bande, quoi. Sadie, c'est vraiment... Elle est avec nous. Pour ça, ça m'impressionne.
Okay, let's pick up the pace. Train is due in Saint Denis in an hour.
We're robbing a train in the middle of a city?
No, it's going to stop there, take on mail and water, let off some boys, head home on leave, and then it heads out.
They know the bridge is gone, Black Lung. There'll be a patrol past Annisburg, waiting down by the river to collect the money.
We sneak on quietly, and then we got a short time to stop the train before it reaches the patrol. John, you go get that dynamite. We'll meet back up outside of Saint Denis.
I'll go with them.
As you wish.
Come on. It's this way. I hit the wagon down here after we blew the bridge.
This is one big goddamn group of us to be riding back into Saint Denis.
Yeah. I heard the Pinkertons have pretty much taken over Van Horn. There's a whole heap of men in there. Things are closing in fast.
Shit.
Should be just through these trees. There it is. I'll get the dynamite.
No, I can do it.
Sure?
I'm fine.
Okay. It's in the back.
Got it?
All right. Let's get this done. Come on. Train's on its way.
Here.
So listen. Abigail just told me. The money? It's hidden in the caves at Beaver Hollow.
What?
Yeah. So much for never hiding it near camp. Dutch was getting even sloppier than we thought.
Are Abigail and Jack ready to leave?
I think so.
Okay. Whatever happens with this job today, wherever Dutch and them go next, we're getting you the hell out of here. We're going to get you the money you need. Knowing the three of you got out, well, maybe all this will still mean something. Tilly and Susan, too. I'll do whatever it takes.
You've always had my back, Arthur.
Perhaps not always.
Anyway, here we go. One last train, Arthur.
One last train.
J'ai déjà entendu ça quelque part, moi. Le dernier train à mon œil, ouais.
There you are. Got everything? Yeah. Then off we go. Off we go, indeed.
One last time, gentlemen. on something different.
Sounds about as good now as every time I heard it before.
Oh, Abigail must be real excited. All packed up like she is. I could just see her, the little grass skirt.
Don't talk to me, you son of a bitch.
Boys, okay now, let's keep it down. We don't want to draw attention to ourselves going through here. Nice and easy through town, fellas.
Ah, Saint Denis. Good to be back. Happy memories, huh, John?
Will you shut up, Mackin? That's enough. Quiet. All of you. Not much further now. All right. Cleet, see, you board halfway along. John, you and Arthur are gonna board at the back. Rest of you, follow Mike and I, and join once they stop the train.
Here she comes.
Ah, il s'arrête pas, mais bien sûr.
Sneak up now. God damn it. Well, everybody mount up.
We're still going through with this?
Of course we are.
Allez, Arthur, viens.
Come on, Arthur. We gotta get on that train. We can jump on this side.
Pourquoi moi je suis moins rapide? C'est quoi ce bordel? Pourtant j'ai un des meilleurs chevaux. Allez, Buell, avance. Arthur, t'as le fusil Ok, ouais. C'est pas le bon fusil, mais c'est un fusil. Putain, mais...
Do that close. So much shaking out here.
You feel like bitching?
Of course not.
Oh, ça doit faire mal ça.
I don't see him.
Who knows if this is their goddamn plan all along?
Let's go, Arthur. Let's get to the next carrot.
You're dead.
Oh putain, c'est une blague.
Train's on fire. Come on. Can't get through the smoke. Come on, let's go.
Et moi Dutch. Oh putain, je suis trop vieux pour ça moi. Enfin, Arthur est trop vieux pour ça. Maximus.
May they come, Arthur! Back it on! John!
Putain, merde, John! Bon, après, il est pas mort parce qu'il y a la suite, quoi. Ah oui! J'ai un super jouet, hein. Qui ne peut même pas chauffer en plus. Oh! Ah bah je l'ai vidé lui. Je l'ai vidé. Où ça? Droite? Gauche? Droite? Gauche? C'est bon, je m'en suis tout bien. Putain, mais tout ce qu'elle tire cette arme. C'est bon? Allez, ça dégage là, les pièces.
Let's go! The money's in their carriage!
This better blow this thing.
Here we go!
Barrez-vous. Barrez-vous, ça va sauter. Oh! Mais oui, de l'argent.
We got something. Catch. There's more. Morgan, the driver's dead. This thing ain't stopping. We got to get off.
Okay then, let's go!
Oh merde. Oh, ça va faire mal. Oh putain.
Jesus. We're alive, just about. Well, let's move.
Where's John? I tried.
He didn't make it. That patrol killed him. They had to run.
Come on, let's go. Before another patrol turns up.
Merde. Bah non, John n'est pas mort. Parce que sinon il n'y a plus de Red Dead 1, donc je suis con, bah oui. Il meurt dans le 1, il peut pas être mort là. J'allais dire merde, John est mort aussi, mais non, oui.
sorry to hear that.
We gotta let her go. John's, well, sorry, son. Without John, she's just bait. Got a bunch of money, Dutch. She's just a girl. They won't do nothing to her. But me and the boys know.
Yeah.
We need to keep riding on this one, Dutch. You know it. Every man here knows
We
it.
just gonna let the boy be made an orphan? It ain't like that. So what is your life?
I wanna live, cowpoke. I still got the choice. Dutch, it's just a girl.
You're right. Micah, it pains me to say it, Arthur, but he's right. Dutch! Come on, boys. I guess that's that then. All them goddamn years.
Come on, Arthur. Let's go get her. You and me is all we need.
Miss Tilly. Here. Take this. You take this money, too. Take Jack. You wait at Copperhead Landing for Abigail and Mrs. Adler.
Thank you, Arthur.
You're a good girl. You live a good life now, you hear?
All right, Arthur. I'll
Me
miss.
too, sweetheart. Me too. Jack, come here. Be brave, son. I'm gonna go get your mom. Mrs. Adler. Ride with me.
Alors, stop. Stop. Alors oui les amis, mais là on est à 57 minutes de vidéo. Je ne tiens pas à faire une autre mission. Par contre, dans le prochain épisode, on fait et je recommencerai exactement là où on s'est arrêté. Donc merci à tous et à toutes d'avoir regardé cette vidéo.